Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya uan.
Katma khang kali Assam bawan sa jaka jong ka kasi kajala makla kelak ta ino penjai masa baginom didukan kunjuk ki hotel ke restoran ki badan hagi jaka jong kai bertai pesmo ketur operator pesmo Katma khang kali Assam bawan saki jaka jong kai bertai kajala makla kelak ta ino penjai masa ki hotel kinom didukan ki restoran hi kunjuk pesmo ka tour guide operator assistant jong meklia katma khang kali Assam ka wan sa meklia lokhat pelong da ka all khasim meklia tourist taxi association namar jing kuman yo sarkar penterkam ya policy tourism tourist do khang meklia Assam pandai sa jaka jong kai pertai ang ba belum mela presiden ka TOAM na kaliang ketum kalau ang baka all khasim meklia tourist taxi association ka batha eka bukan wenno ya jengki pabang pasu gejeng e jengki hak sarka namba kila jinya kren kabasuk nilam gotom habai kren pakila patai khobor hasil pasklam o kami hak bangkhang bat kajeng kajeng kiru kaya hakin ya kam jong kai patai marajeng penslam bangkhang yaki kali Assam kanang tengkel
Labia. जा सकते हो लेकिन इस गाड़ी पे We are taking the amount only for like the kopi banyak. Yuk.
Association with my colleagues here in the association. We have come to this press conference today just to inform everybody about our stand that we are taking against the recent proposed blockage of outside state vehicles by the all Khasi in Meghalaya Tourist Taxis Association, which we started the agitation from yesterday. So we came to here to spell out our stand from the Tour Operators Association of Meghalaya, our reaction to the action that they have taken yesterday. We are very much concerned about the tourism industry in the state. So that is why we came here with a heavy heart, that we say that all efforts that have been made for many, many years to promote tourism in the state, maybe the reaction will be there. Whatever the action taken by the Taxis Association, AKMTTA, really has shown us in bad light. Last year also the same thing had happened, and this time also it does happen. So we want to show that from our side, from the Tour Operator Association, is really going to affect us. We would like to mention here that as tour operators, all packages always made beforehand. When we do packages for the people coming to the state, everything arrangements are the pre-arrangements there. So, and even the rates, the tour packages rates have already been fixed, and people have accepted the rates, and only they have made the confirmations, and we have done the bookings especially during the coming season. We have done the bookings in all hotels and vehicles and all other necessary arrangements for as per the itineraries of the tourists taking this, they're taking as per the package. So definitely now this is going to affect, because now if we are taking away the vehicles, especially those who are coming to the state, and then we are shifting vehicles, that will be affecting us. Okay, because what happened is that as tour operators, we also sometimes we depend on the vehicles from outside the state, and we also are taking vehicles from our own state, and our vehicles are taking ferrying people right from from the Guwahati airport and maybe from other railway station, and we bring him here. But because of this action of the association from here, taxi association, so is slightly they're affecting, because what happened in Assam also, the taxis association in Assam also are taking reciprocal action there by not allowing our vehicles to proceed to the airport and to pick up tourists from the airport. We have seen today some vehicles were held up or chased from the airport. So this is really going to affect us. And what happened is that now, if we are taking their vehicles, suppose we are ferrying them to the borders, our borders, and again from our borders we are taking our vehicles, so the cost will go up, and definitely that will affect the package cost of the tourists. And another thing is that also the tourists also may get disturbed, because what happens, they may think that why we should undergo all these kind of problems of changing vehicles midway and all this thing, which they may not like it. And this will prove also another thing that costly for the destination, because if we are talking about the tourist destination in Meghalaya, we are competing with other destinations also. And if the package cost goes up, then definitely the people may not want to come anymore this side, and they may go to other places which are much cheaper. So these are the few things which we have taken up decision. And so on this, we are requesting the AKMTTA to kindly withdraw this kind of action that they have taken to stoppage of vehicles, and then also come to discuss with the government or whatever it is, whatever the problems that they have. Maybe we can sit down and we can say discuss. Maybe it is got to do with other vehicles from outside the state, with their taxis from there also. Maybe we can mediate and be there and discuss with the other people from Assam also how to share in a business-to-business relationship with the counterparts from Assam, so that everything will run smoothly. Because here in Northeast, we cannot do like other places, because this Northeast is a composite destination. Definitely, our vehicles are moving everywhere from Northeast. Tourists coming here, they're not coming only to the state of Meghalaya, crisscrossing also other states in Northeast. So likewise, we have to take ferry our tourists from here to other places of Northeast. Other people from other states of Northeast, they are also coming here. So there's a lot of movement of tourists to and fro. They can make it, they can have a good itinerary, or they can have a good package to their utmost satisfaction by going to various destinations which they feel they should enjoy their holidays with. So these are the few things which we want to mention here as a tour operator body here in the state of Meghalaya. At the same time, we also, as a tourism stakeholders here in the state of Meghalaya, likewise, we take that other tourist taxis association outside the state and inside the state. They also part of the body of tourism stakeholders. We call them tourism stakeholders, because they also ferrying tourists to our state, and we also take our vehicles also taking tourists to other states, to their state. So we appeal in the interest of the whole tourism industry in the entire Northeast that please don't try to create again an atmosphere of tit for tat with